Hey there, it's Mr. Tivnan. Okay, I wanted to make this video to show you guys how to create your own drawings using this Geogebra app. So I'm just going to do my best to lead you through it. Hopefully this won't be more than a 3 to 4 minute video. Okay, so what we're going to do first is go up here to this pull down menu, this pointer, and select pen. Once you have pen selected, you can draw whatever you want, and you get points for creativity. We want to be as creative as possible with this. I'll do my best to trace my name, just like I did in class, at least just the first 3 letters of my name. So here we go. It's not going to be pretty. That's okay. Fascinating, right? Okay, so I'm going to dot the I right there. All right. Now I got to make a V. How am I going to do that? That's fine. Okay. So I got to come back. Remember, you got to close the loop. And good enough. Okay. So that's what we call a pen stroke in Geogebra. Geogebra calls it a pen stroke. I think this will be labeled as, over here, stroke 3. Nope, stroke 2. Or is it stroke 1? I think it's stroke 1, see? So the circle right here is highlighted. That tells you what is actually on the screen. If you click the circle, it goes away. So what I want to do here, and what you'll want to do, is to create a list of points that lie on that curve. And what you do is you come down here to the input field. And again, I did this in class, but I thought it would be good to have a recording so you can go back and play it and rewind it and all that. So we're going to type in curly bracket, and you type vertex. Now this was L1. L underscore 1 does a subscript, and that should enter. It should create a list of points. And did it? Nothing seemed to happen. Let me hit enter again. Please check your input. Okay. Oh, it's because I called it L1. That's not right. So this is typical. You're always going to make little mistakes along the way, so I shouldn't have called it L1. I should have called it stroke 1. And the name of the list is actually called L1, or it's L something. Yeah, L1 here. Okay, so there it is. If I click this, it shows all the points go away. If I click it again, all the points reappear along the curve I just created. And it's interesting what happens over here. I think it's because it's such a straight segment that, and maybe I went fast when I traced it, it only did a few points along the way. That's okay, as long as we get some samples here. So this is the next step. You will want to, well, we're probably not going to do that step now. I'll save that for another video. Right now, I would like you to be able to create those curves in GeoGebra, create the list of points, and oh yeah, the last thing is maybe just see how many points there were. So you type in length, and again it was L1. If you go back and look at the list, and it should have put in the number of, yeah, right here, 505 points. Okay? And then we're going to later on learn how do you use those points to create the reconstructed image using circles built onto other circles, built off of other circles, all rotating at different speeds. That's the main idea of how you reconstruct your curves. Okay, so I'll leave it there. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you Monday.